Oh, is we going? We going. What's good with y'all, man? It's your boy Big J97. You know what I'm saying? We back again with another on me. I'm trying to catch up on these videos, man. I know I got a good 10 videos to film. But yeah, we got the cookies. We got the cookies today. My bad. We got the cookies today, man. As you know, reloaded on the side, on me on the side. Get picture. Of course, 13. You know, the hardest size to get on the site is a 13. You know what I'm saying? Blue box, white bottom. You know what's up with the box. Good box. Got your blue laces. Blue laces. The dust bag with the green lace. Kind of like that. Dust bag with the green lace. I don't know if it was supposed to be like that, but yeah. Then you got them cookie boys and the patent leather. Patent leather, you hear me? Super sleek. You feel me? Ain't gonna rankle and things, you know what I mean? I think what pair is this? Probably the fourth pair, bro. And I got another pair to film. Yeah, I got another pair to film. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? We building a little Omi collection over here, my boy. These is too hard though. This blue online, I kind of thought the blue was like, I thought it was like similar to the Hampton blue, but it's a whole different blue. It's like the actual cookies. You know, if you smoke, you know, cookie, the weed stuff. It's like them colors. Except with an A sole, not a white sole. Reloaded in the blue. Other side, coming in too hard, you know. White laces, I probably rock them. I don't know, I'm feeling the blues on these. What y'all think? Blues or the whites? I'm feeling the blues, cause there's a lot of white going on. So I'm feeling the blues. You got the blue Omi on the tongue. Yeah. Blue Omi man on the back tongue. I don't know why the fuck I call it an Omi man. You feel me? Blue insides. Blue insides up top at least. You see it? You know what I'm saying? Good soul. Yeah, bro. Let me take the paper out these joints. I don't know. I'm feeling blue. Or I might just do it like I usually do it and rock one white, rock one blue. Shit. I think I'm the only one I've seen do that shit. But I usually just rock one of each color that they give you. I don't know. Just to make it a little different, you feel me? So we're gonna rock one white and then we're gonna rock one blue. One white, one blue. But I ain't gonna, you know, sit y'all here the whole time. I'm gonna lace these up real quick. And I'm gonna hit y'all back. Alright, y'all. We back. We done laced them up. You feel me? We got the blue over here, we got the white over here. You know what I'm saying? Doing like that. Let me show y'all. I feel like, you know, the one in each color is definitely the way to go. If you ask me. If you ask me. Or if you would have had some off-white laces, like the color of the sole, that would have went too. That's hard though. Ooh. I'm stepping out clean today. I'm stepping out clean today. You know what? I got so many shoes, bro, that like I got so many pairs of sneakers, man. And I drive trucks and shit, so I just wear I wear a different pair of sneakers every day. Every single day, just so they get some wear, you know what I'm saying? Just so they not sitting there aging and shit. But I don't work in them. I wear a different pair every day into the office, cause you know they wanted to see how long I can go, but I've been going like 3 months straight, different pair every day. You feel me? But yeah, I wear them into the office just so they get some wear, and then swap into the good boots. You know what I'm saying? Good steel toes when I hop in my truck. But bro, too nasty, man. You know what I'm saying? That's gonna be it for this video, man. I ain't gonna make shit too long. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing too long. Quick shoe unboxing. We got the Omi cookies. You know what I'm saying? White lace, blue lace. You feel me? Like I always say, like, comment, subscribe if you want to, because at the end of the day, you're gonna do what you wanna do. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, Big James 97. But you know, before I go, I just need you to I just need you to go tell your side bitch to tell her baby daddy that he need to come over here, cause I'm putting you on game with the sneakers and things on this side. You hear me? But you know, fuck all that, but not fuck all that. Go do that if you fuck with me, you know what I'm saying? Go do that. You hear me? You hear me? But to the next video, man, it's your boy Big James 97. I'ma holler at y'all. We're gonna be right back with the sneakers. You know how we coming. We drop a video every Thursday, you feel me? Every Thursday for the sneakers. And when I get some tech, it drop on Tuesday. So Tuesdays and Thursdays, my upload days, you feel me? So holla at your boy, you know what I'm saying? Double T, that's me, you feel me? Hey, you dig? I'll holla at y'all, man. To the next video, I'm out.